Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry sausage. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite sausage and 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Next, slice the sausage into half-inch thick pieces. This ensures it cooks evenly and quickly. Finally, chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces, making sure they are roughly the same size for consistent cooking. This preparation step is key for a delicious and easy meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your sliced sausage to the pan. Cook the sausage, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. It should reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and best flavor. This step builds the foundation of your stir-fry. With your sausage cooked, it's time to add the vibrant vegetables. Toss your prepared veggies into the pan with the sausage. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until they are crisp tender, retaining a nice bite. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of your favorite stir-fry sauce. Toss everything together to ensure all the ingredients are well coated in that delicious flavor. This brings all the elements together beautifully. Your delicious stir-fry sausage is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles. For an extra burst of freshness and flavor, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro or sliced green onions. This easy and quick meal is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need something satisfying and fast. Enjoy your homemade stir-fry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.